Hey guys, today we're going to be doing some more Halloween makeup. I'm gonna do a candy corn look today. I'm really excited. I actually tried candy corn for the first time this year. When we went to Scamander, we went past like the lolly shop and I tried candy corn and I had such high hopes and it was disgusting. Like, I don't know what everyone's talking about, but it's not nice. But it's still like cute and I feel like it's very like iconic for Halloween, so I thought we would do like a candy corn look. So that's what we're doing. Okay, so today I'm going to jump into my Jaclyn Hill palette, volume 2, and I think I'm going to I might take Feeling Myself, I think, which is this orange shade here. And we're going to start with that one. I kind of already know how I'm going to do this, so I've got it all planned. Alright, so we're taking Feeling Myself first. And I'm going to put that in the outer corner. I'm just going to start by like placing it on and then we'll get to blending and stuff soon. But for now, we're just stamping it on. I really need to get my eyebrows done. Okay, and before we go any further, I'm just going to start to blend that. Okay, so I'm just taking a big fluffy brush and blending. The vibrancy just really goes, doesn't it? I reckon I'll have to build it up a few times, but that's okay. I'm mixing in a bit of the shade called My Man as well, because that one's just a little bit more vibrant. So I'll just mix both of those colours together, the Feeling Myself and the My Man shade. I ordered so many exciting things yesterday. I'm so excited. I have some really cool videos coming up. Some very exciting hauls and unboxings and yeah, just lots of stuff that I'm very excited for. And I cannot wait. I think I'm gonna have to get like a second beauty room dedicated to just candles because at this point, I have so many. And anyway, that's a separate topic that we can get onto it later. Okay, next I'm going to take the shade and it's called No Joke and it's like a yellow. Okay, we're taking the shade called No Joke and we're packing that on next. Going through all my palettes, I found that it's actually really hard to find a good white shade. Like, I mean, I can understand because white would be such a hard eyeshadow to make. Like, it's like anything white, it's hard to get it super opaque, but no one really makes white eyeshadow. They're all kind of like a bit creamy based or like, you know, have like a bit of a different undertone or something. Like, I need a white. I want just white. Where is it? So I'm going to leave the yellow about there. I told you guys what palette I'm using, right? This is the Jaclyn X Morphe Volume 2. Blending again. And then the last shade I'm going to take is called Certified. And it's the lightest shade of the palette. It's kind of like a white, I guess. Once again, not a pure white, but I'm going to put some glitter over it. I'm really struggling to get the pigment out of this. I think my Fenty sponge has kind of had it, if I'm being honest. I mean, I have had it for a good, I don't know, 6 months probably. And it also is chopped in half now, so I should probably get a new one. Does this, like, is this considered an empty? You have to buy a new sponge or no? I just cannot get it out. Like, come on, orange. It's not that hard. Anyway, I'm just gonna go. Anyway, so we're taking Certified. And that's just going in the inner corner. Oh, you know what? This is actually kind of a nice white. Like, it's pretty bright. I'm not mad. Okay, not bad. It's got a bit of an orange tinge to it because of my brush. Whoops. You know what? That's actually a pretty pigmented white. I'm pretty impressed. I'm going to take a bit more of the yellow because I feel like we need a little bit more. And then we're going to give everything a nice big blend. This is what we've got at the moment. I feel like that looks pretty cute. I'm going to take a bit of this Be Perfect pigment. This one's in the shade Mainsy. And I'm going to put that on the inner corner of my eye. So yeah, I'm just tapping this over like the white part. Why does my camera keep not focusing? Come on. Isn't this such a pretty shimmer? Yeah, and then I don't know if I should do the little candy corns on the actual eye look, if I should do them like on my face. Maybe I'll do them on my face. Alright, I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my foundation and everything. Then we'll come back, we'll draw the candy corns on, and then the look will be finished. Okay, so this is how everything's looking. So what we're gonna do now is get onto drawing the candy corn. So I think I'm gonna just take my Colourpop No Filter Concealer. This one is in the shade Fair 00. And I'm just gonna get like a liner brush. And I'm just gonna draw like a little triangle and then we can colour it in. Okay. I might just do two, to be honest. Don't want to do like overkill, I guess. Okay, I'll take like a really small brush now and we'll go into the yellow first, just called No Joke. And then we'll go into the orange next. And then I guess last but not least we'll go into the white. They're not that neat, but I feel like you can still tell what they are, so I'm not too worried. Okay, cute. Okay, so this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Just said that, but anyway. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!